Hello, if you want to take photos by using your Redmi Watch 5 Lite, for sure you are going to control the camera of your phone, because right here we cannot find camera. So you will have to click on a side button and right now start scrolling for this camera application. And now on your phone just open camera application. And as you can see, when the camera is opened, you will have to click on the OK button, and now you can just click on the shutter once, and as you can see, right now the photo should be taken, but as you can see in my case it's unfortunately not working. So I'm not sure if this is some kind of the issue with my Pixel phone, or maybe this Redmi Watch 5 Lite is not supporting Pixel camera. So please, if you have Xiaomi phone or Samsung phone, tell me in the comments how it actually looks in your case, because in my case it's actually not working properly, and I'm really curious if it actually works different from any other brands. Unfortunately, I only have the Pixel phone, so I'm unable to check this. But yeah, if you have other brand phone, tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching.